If you're a business owner and you have a business partner, or if you're a business owner and you have investors or an investor that invests inside of your business, or you're an investor that invests into businesses or real estate partnerships long-term with people, you're going to want to pay attention to the information that Jay-Z is going to be overviewing. Some things are not caught, they're taught. And the information that she's about to deliver is the scenario of what if something were to happen to one of those business owners? What if something were to happen to one of the investors or vice versa? Hopefully you get a lot out of the information.
As fulfilling as being an entrepreneur may be, the mind of a business owner is plagued with so many worries. Concerns with overall operations are forever. But worrying about what would happen to your family and your business if something were to happen to you has a solution. Whether you pass, become disabled, injured, or critically ill, a properly structured business succession plan can protect your family and your legacy. A buy-sell agreement is a legal contract drafted by an attorney that spells out the terms of a business succession arrangement to which all involved parties are obliged to carry out. The contract specifies what triggering events throw the buy-sell into play. It also specifies the current and projected value of the business, the designated person meant to go through with the purchase, the process of the purchase, and the funding of that purchase. Life insurance is the highest recommended method of funding, with the death benefit available immediately upon the passing of an owner, or the cash value immediately accessible upon any other aforementioned triggering event. These arrangements should be made as a team with your business partners, and with the added consultation of your CPA, your attorney, and your financial planner. If you would like more information on buy-sell agreements, contact us today.